one of our sister na bring this matter come. He say her husband jogodo his sister, and that his sister now don get belle for am. And now the man say he wan bring his sister come house come marry, and all the family support am. He say make I ask whether this kind thing e possible or no. Anyway, welcome to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time, you hear the dengue pose, you dey watch, you never subscribe, abeg please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So today, na this our sister matter wey bring come o. According to her, when she dey tell me, I say, you sure say wetin you dey talk so na truth? He say na truth o. He say na film na him for dey hear am. He no know say e dey happen. See me see you. Say this one na korokoro. This one happen for Idobot. Na him take know say for her own marriage, for her house, na this one happen. Na him take know say this kind thing e really dey exist. He say before he no believe. I come ask am say wetin happen. He say na truth. I tell am say make e talk truth o, because if you no talk truth, the advice wey you see na lie na you see. But if you talk truth, na the advice wey you see na truth o. Now say because this your tori e wawa o. He say na so. He say so when she come, na person dey bring person na he need to settle that person. He say na Italy na he just first dey, as he dey, e come be like say the pepper no dey come like that. He no dey see the money, and he get pikin for house. Na him come talk say make he still try France. This story dey happen for France, so if you know say you dey France, please lis ten, abeg make una lis ten finish. And if there is any way una fit take advise this our sister, or any solution to this matter wey I wan bring, so make we dey pump am come out so that our sister go hear. God bless you. Thank you so much for the comment section and for the voice record. My group, I swale for the people wey dey for the group. Thank you all so much. God bless everybody. So this our sister, he say na so he come take find himself for France. As he come dey France, he come dey stay hotel, come dey find where he wan stay. He say that evening as he come out, you know na also matter na, come see one small girl. Then he come tell the girl say he dey find where he wan stay o. He dey find house, he just come. He no know anybody. Then the girl come tell am say their house dey vacant. Make she come their house. Say but he dey stay with his brother. Say because say if you follow me now, no problem. He say na so he take carry Kanya o. He come follow the girl reach house. As he reach house, he come see that his brother. As that his brother just see her, oh, he just fell in love with her immediately. He come say okay. He come tell the brother say abeg, no be man I find come France. Na money ego now I find come France. I get pikin for house wey be say I dey take care of. So anything relationship I no want now. He say the guy no hear, come see dey pursue am. Then before you know wetin dey happen, the girl na small girl, senior the girl wey come dey tell am say e be like say belle dey o. The girl come say him get belle, say na this him brother na him give am belle. Come say how come you go dey jogodo your brother? He say meanwhile, if the guy dey receive call, him mama go dey shout, dey talk say na your sister o, na abomination o, him hear say she don get belle o, how you go do this kind thing to your sister? You jogodo your sister, na your sister o, she don get belle, abomination, dey forbid am o. He go say baba go dey shout. He say he go carry phone, he go still call him baba say, Baba, take am easy. Even the lady, e no dey here again. Say because the lady come pack her things, comot for the house. Where she come go, she just lock her phone. Nobody fit call her. She just comot. Nobody know how e waka. Whether e remove the okra, e no remove the okra. Nobody know. She just waka comot because the pressure was too much on her. Her family dey pressure her. The guy own too. Everybody under pressure. So na so she take comot. So she come dey make the mother they know say the girl no dey again believe say maybe e don go remove the okra say everything go dey okay. So the mother still dey shout, e say na even that matter sef the mother na so e shout till she come even follow the matter sef, because the woman was not na then the guy no let am rest o, e no let am drink water, keep cup every time. He wan marry am o, he wan marry am o, he need woman o, you see na na him sister him go jogodo, he no wan wahala again, if you just gree for me now he go just repair him life. He say even when the sister comot, he say the guy come dey sick sef, na him come dey nature abi how they dey speak the oyibo, me I no call tongue, na him come dey take care of the guy. He come dey take care of am because he was not happy, he dey feel so sad say see wetin he do. He say because this little girl so na this is sister so na just small pikin wey be say dem carry comot for Africa come say make dem take help the family, you understand. Now this man so with e woman abi e wife, I no know, no be this our sister o, na dem dey stay for the same house, and e come be say that woman na people wey be say dey go dey bring people dey come from Africa come dey hustle. So na e come beg this woman say abeg this my little cousin carry am come, if dem need help carry am come. Na so they take carry am come, dem come tell am say na this your uncle na him wan carry you come, whether na uncle whether na cousin abi nephew, I no know how they take dey talk am na him wan carry you come Europe. So na so the woman take carry am come. So when the woman come carry am come, e come see say oturugbeke water e don pass garri. E come say this your little cousin wey you say na your cousin, you come dey jogodo am. So na that thing na make the woman vex leave am comot, e no come dey with her. As that one just kukuma comot, dem say if cat comot for house go come be rat o. Na so e come take fall on top of e sister abi cousin come dey jogodo am. Na so before okro come out, before the person wey bring this matter come, this our sister come fall inside. And that's why this lady take come, that time the little girl take comot with the belle, so dem no know how she waka. So this man come dey beg this sister say okay, if you just marry me now, all the priest go just rest, he no go back to this his sister again, because that his sister he really know say wetin he dey do so e no good. Say abeg, say come dey beg am, come say lele, he no go gree. He say later na that place no come still good for am. If he go as he go, na so he go still take come back, nothing say he come even dey owe house rent, he no fit come dey pay rent. That the guy come talk say see you now, you no fit pay rent, you no fit pay rent, for that reason why you no just gree for me, so that you no dey pay rent again, so that I go take care of you. He say when you come say as e be, if you go nothing, then you come gree for am. Say okay. And the guy come still call him mama, he come tell him mama say this your pikin so I wan marry, I wan take care of her, and make sure you agree for me. He say no, so he come take agree for am, because if he go nothing say then you come take stay with her. But if you look this matter, e be like say the guy, I no know, not be my mouth now for here and here, e be like say the guy na champion hair. So na so this our sister come take me well, come be like the way so call here, e come still go for inside the trap again. Say na before you know wetin dey happen, okra don come out. As her okra come out now, before you know wetin dey happen, na so she come take born, not knowing that the other cousin wey comot, that one don already born. Before she born, that one don already born. He come call one day say he don born, he dey hospital. That the brother come tell am say that my cousin wey comot that time, he don finally call, he say he don born the pikin o, he dey hospital. He come say she still born the pikin, oya follow me go hospital go see am. He say na so he come follow am go hospital, he come go see the baby. The guy come write him name, because the guy na kpali he get, he come write him name. Before you know wetin dey happen, dem come give the baby document, dem come give the little cousin document to 10 years. Dem come give the baby, whether na kpali dem still give the baby, I no know, but dem come dey okay. He say so the come still dey her side. Then she na her own okra come still grow. Before you know wetin dey happen, she come born, but the boy no gree give the pikin doku. he no gree give her, he no give her, and she no get. He say come dey tell the guy say make you still give my pikin. Say lele o, he no go give her. He come say why you no go give us? He say no dey give them, but he don already give him cousin. That one wey dey say make he don do, he don already give that one give him mama, but she no gree give am. He say then he come go dey file paper wey dey take dey collect benefit of pikin. He come go dey do everything. Say because she no know anything, he no know how dey say dey do benefit. I fit tell una how she take come. She no come say na the normal way, aduro way wey people take dey come. Her own na hustle she take come. So she no really know how dem dey go about all these things. She no really know how dem dey go about all these benefit of pikin and all that. He say but he dey manage, he dey the house. He say now he don still get second belle. He just get the second belle now, he never tey. But he dey beg this man say this pikin na your own. He no get doku. Give this pikin give me. The man say lele, he no go give her. He say but the man dey go dey spend money for that him cousin. He dey go dodge, dey go dey see that him cousin. Say then he go tell am say because of this your cousin, your mama talk, your mama don pass am. Why you still go dey dodge, dey go dey see this your cousin, dey give am money, dey take care of the pikin, but the one you get for house, you no dey take care of am. He say the man no even mind am. He say he don tire, he no know wetin he wan do again. He say because the man promise am say na mistake na him make wey be say he go jogodo him cousin. And he say that mistake say na abomination. Say abeg if he dey with her everything go dey okay. Now na he don dey with her, he don born one. Na the second one now na him dey come so. But that same cousin, e dey follow her back, dey go dey meet that cousin, dey jogodo that cousin wey be say all the family don talk, e no hear. Na because of say okay right now that cousin now, the family for house dem know wetin dey happen. He say the family don know now, they don accept their relationship. He say for the beginning they no accept. He say but right now the way they see things, they don accept their relationship. He say because as he come give that pikin doku, he come give him mama too, and he dey take care of them. They be like say because he dey send money go give them for house. So now they don accept their relationship. So their relationship fit continue. And this girl is just a small girl of 25 years, and this man is a man of almost 50. And this lady wey dey bring this matter come here, she's 30 something. He say even for she herself, the man sef na old man for her. How much more that small girl wey be cousin? But na that small girl dey pursue say now make she come comot for house, make that one enter house. He say no see where this kind thing for dey happen, because like say he just tell am say na that one he wan carry. He go just tell am say okay, he no go even start the relationship. He no know say he go still go back to the cousin. Now when he don agree for am, now the cousin now he wan carry come house, he don give am document. He say make she comot with him pikin, he no gree give the document. Wetin he wan do now? He no know wetin he wan do. E be like say na the small pikin own na come sweet am pass, you understand? Na the small pikin happen na come sweet pass. Na as e dey be, na small pikin na wey be say their koko still stand like pistol and all that. That man na one for am o. More na no vex. So wetin he wan do now? Na be the thing. Say he get belle now, he no even know he still dey chop aduro. If for like make he carry this pregnancy, na make he go chop aduro. He say meanwhile the time when he born that first pikin, when he dey hospital, he say social people come meet am. They come say they wan help am. They'll carry am go somewhere where they'll for give am house, where they'll for assist am. He say because the city where he dey, if you born for hospital like that, you no get doku, they'll call social. The social will ask you question. They'll carry you go somewhere where they want for assist you. He say they come. The man come meet them when they dey question, and the man come dey tell them say make dem no worry, na him pikin, he dey work, he get doku, na the pali he even get sef, make dem no worry, na him pikin, he go take care of them. He say he go take care of them. Say na so the man tell the social people wey come that. Then they come talk say okay, you agree say this man go take care of you? He come say yes, he go take care of me. He say na so they take comot. They comot finish, he reach house finish, the man no come take care of them. now say why you no call dem back say this man no take. He say they call dem, they no mind now. He say if you just call dem, they go ask say wetin be your name, wetin be your surname, which zone you dey. He say if you just talk am, e be like say her name don already dey system or whatever. Whether they go call the hospital, he no come know where you for born. They ask am say where you for born, wetin be your pikin name. Once he don tell them all the information, they no dey mind am again, they no dey call am again. So na that one come be the thing now. He say they no dey call am again. He say because maybe as he agree that time say okay he go follow this man, since this man na the father, he go take care of us. He sure say na because of that reason that make dem no gree dey mind her. He say dem no dey mind. He say because since e no dey even dey stay house na the cause the place e dey go stay. He say make she comot cause he wan come house, cause he say if she dey that house he no go come. She need to comot make cause he come in. He no know wetin he wan do. This one na urgent o, because this video never tell when he tell me, I just quick bring am come out because you know say somebody wey get belle and no get belle no be the same thing, and because of her condition that make me say make I still come out, make I come still bring this matter come out. If people wey dey France know how she go fit take go shop aduro wey be say e go dey okay for her. She get pikin small momo for hand, e still get one wey e just be say e just newly dey now wey she get belle of, and she no get anything. So how she go fit take chop aduro? Abeg my precious people, my beautiful people, my responsible people, make una chook una mouth put for this matter. How una see am? How she go take chop aduro? How she go fit take comot for inside this pace? He say because now e be like fry pan to fire. If you comot for the way e dey Nigeria, say see the way e come see carry for Europe now, that come worst. He never see this kind of disgrace before. Say husband go dey leave you for your cousin. My people wey dey watch me now, you sure say this kind thing possible say person fit marry a cousin? Because I come try to ask, I come remember they say they go wash one person comot for family. They say some family dey do am, say if e come be like that, say dem must dey, they come wash one person comot for family. Okay, that one wey they wan wash comot for family, which family they wan come wash am put? Another family entirely. I no come understand. Or if na the father side or wash am, but you come be say na the mother side e come be. I no understand that part. Abeg I know say traditional people dey here. Abeg make una chook una mouth put for this matter about this our brother wey be say he carry he cousin say he wan marry am, and this same cousin he don born for am. He wan carry am come house, he throway the woman wey yarn am first dey for house. Una remember say he first throway one o before he carry this he cousin, the woman wey be say two of them dey run show together. Now he don that one because he comot because say he get belle, family pressure. Then he come carry this our sister. This our sister now e dey throway am again, dey bring the cousin come back, and the cousin dey 25 years. If you don even reach 25 years, na very small girl, but this man now is almost 50. So how una see this matter? And beside that I know say our Nigeria culture, we no dey marry our family, our relative, we no dey do am. Nigeria culture, we no dey do all those kind thing. But I know say some other countries they fit dey do am, but I no really know. So you wey dey watch me now, wetin you really think about this kind thing? Say person, you understand? How una see am? Make we still know, because all of us we dey learn o. Abeg people wey go still help this our sister, how e go still fit take shop aduro for the place wey e dey, so make e fit shop the aduro so that e go fit get e normal help for there. So na my opinion be this. Or if na lawyer e go take, since the pikin papa get kpali, e no wan give am, but e sign. So if e go fit, whether e really sign I no know. So whether na the real sign e sign or na two sign dem dey sign, because e say that day na e carry dem comot for hospital. So if na lawyer e go take, so that e go come give e pikin, or if na aduro e go chop. Abeg make una chook una mouth put. Thank you so much for watching. Imagine say person go come say of all the women full na. If you wan talk of man and woman, who many pass? Na women. Na women e pass. If you go church, na women many pass. You go meeting, na women many pass. You go group, na women many pass. Anywhere you think of in the world, na women many pass. As women many reach, come be say this our brother say no see, na that he cousin na he see. This one na real love or na selfishness? I no understand o. Make una really talk this matter. This one na honoring hands or something dey behind. Make una see, because maybe this little girl now later I fit regret am or we don't know. I don't know. Me, I dey talk my own for here. So make una just see how una fit take talk for this matter. Thank you for watching. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl. Anyone you call me, I dey there for you. True Dreams with Lady T. Thank you, thank you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you, thank you. Don't forget to like this video and share this video and leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you, thank you. God bless you. Bye.